Dear children, now we are going to learn in subtraction, that is regrouping. Okay, let me do with example sum and what is meant by regrouping in subtraction sum. Okay, let me do, that is our subtopic is regrouping. Okay, what is meant by regrouping? Let me do. That is, if we are subtract from the simple numbers, okay, without that is 4 minus 2, 6 minus 2, you can, that is minuend is a greater number and subtrahend is a smaller number. You can subtract easily, okay, and write down this answer. But in some numbers, that is some minuend is a smaller number and subtrahend is a bigger number. How to do the regrouping? Okay, let me do with example sum. Okay, that is I wrote 5-digit number. Okay, it is easy for your grade level 4 and third also. You can practice it with 4-digit and 5-digit number. I am going to write 5-digit numbers. Okay. Okay, that is insert comma, that is first number how to read, that is 19,232 minus, okay, and the subtrahend is 2,768. Observe here the first number which is 2 is smaller one, that is from the subtrahend. This is a minuend number and this is a subtrahend number. Observe this ones place number. You have to put the place value in column, that is ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Okay. Observe this subtracting ones place number, that is step 1. Okay. Step 1, that is subtraction of subtracting ones. Subtracting ones. Here that is 2 minus 8. So you can't subtract, that is 8 is a bigger number and 2 is a smaller number. That is you have to regrouping this number. How to do this? For this 30, here the nearest tens place is here, that is 30. 30 tens plus 2 ones, you have to regrouping, that is 30 tens. Okay, 3 tens and 2 ones. 3 tens plus 2 ones. Okay, you can change into, that is you have to give his 1, that is ones place. So this, you have to change this 2 tens. Okay, that is 2 tens plus, that is 12 ones. Okay, for this 2, so cut this number and make it 2 tens. And this is 1. Okay, so that is 12 ones. 2 tens and plus 12 ones. Okay, now you can subtract the 12, okay, minus 8. You can do now, that is 12 minus 8. The answer is 4. So you can, that is 3 tens, 2 ones is right to be written as 2 tens and that is 12 ones, and you can subtract this 12 minus 8, and that is step 2. This is step 1 and step 2. You can subtracting the tens. Okay, subtracting tens. How to do now? That is here tens, that is 2. You can subtract the 6 from 2. So you cannot subtract the 6 from 2 tens. So this is regroup into, that is 20. You can move this 100 place, that is 2 hundreds. Okay, that is 2 hundreds plus, that is 2010. Okay, so you can move this, that is 1, change into 112 tens. Okay, here that is 2 tens that can be changed into, okay, that is 100 plus that is 12 tens. Okay, now you can change this number 1 and this is 12. Okay, 200 plus 2 tens change into 100 plus 12 tens. Now you can subtract the tens place number. Okay, that is 12 minus 6, answer will be 6. Okay, now move on to the 100 place, that is step 3. Okay, subtracting hundreds. Subtracting hundreds. Okay, how to do? Now that is here, that is 100. Okay, and you can't subtract the 7 from 1. Okay, let me do this 1000 place. So regroup the 9000 into 100 into change into 8000 and that is 1100 change into. Okay, now we can understand, that is 9000 plus that is 100. Okay, change into 8000. This is called regrouping, children. That is 8000 and that is 1100. Okay, so change this number as 8 and this is changed into 11. Okay, now you can subtract the number, that is 11 minus 7, answer will be 4. And next move on to the 1000 place, that is step 4. Okay, and that is subtracting 1000. Okay, subtracting 1000. Here that is no need of, this is a bigger number and this is a smaller number. You can subtract the number, that is 8 minus 2, that is 6. No need of regrouping. Okay, that is 8 minus 2, answer will be 6. Okay, and here the subtracting 5th step, that is subtracting 10,000. Here 10,000 is once 1/10,000 and here no number at all. So write down this number, that is 1. Okay, and ones, tens, 100 insert comma. How to read now? 16,464. This is called regrouping method. Okay, first you have to subtracting ones. This is a smaller number, so you can change into 3 tens and 2 ones, that is change in regrouping into 2 tens and 12 ones, and subtract this 12 minus 8, 4. And step 2, subtracting tens. Similar to that of, again here you cannot subtract this 6 from 3. Okay, so regrouping into 2 hundreds plus 2 tens and change into 112 tens. Now you can do this 12 minus 6, find out the answer 6. And value subtracting 100, that is subtracting tens and subtracting 100, 9,000 plus 100. Okay, change into 8,000 and 1100. Okay, you can subtract now 11 minus 7, the answer will be 4. Okay, and here the change of 8. So when you subtracting this 1000 column, no need of regrouping because this is a bigger number and 2 is a smaller number. You can subtract easily, and 8 minus 2, answer will be 6. And subtracting 10,000, that is a step 5, that is no number here at all. So write down this 10,000 number directly at the downward and find out this answer and insert comma, ones, tens, 100 based upon our Indian place value system and read the answer, that is 16,464. So this is a method of regrouping, that is in subtraction mathematics calculation. So this is a simple, and you need more practice, children. Practice more and more, minimum do it daily, minimum or 10, that is without regrouping sums and regrouping sums. Take from your NCERT or text notebook or other worksheet. Okay, you can speed your calculation. Okay.